Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what you can see, we have seen a quite volatile market in the gold. Okay, I'm showing a chart from 2021 where we have seen the price has moved down around 1656, tested twice, moved up again to a level of 1915. Okay, and this is in just 2 months. Okay, and from there we have seen it is moving in a particular range for quite some time. Suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1823. Okay, and once if it touched this level, what we can, and this level is already being tested here twice, so chances of going towards further up is high, and we can see a level of 1826. Okay, that is around it can touch a level of 1828 also, and this level is also being tested here twice, so chances will be very high. We can see a level of 1834 also, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1844 also. Okay, and this 1844 I have already told you, if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 1853. Okay, and once if it crosses 1845, I have already told you that probability is very high that once it become resistance, if it crosses, we have seen 10 to 20 dollar movement, whether upside or downside. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold or any other commodity doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart. Upside, I have already told you that if the price goes above this level, okay, above a level of 1824, we can see it can go and touch a level of 1834 also, and this level is already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1849, and from there we can see a level of 1854.15. okay, and this 1854 is also being tested here, so chances of going towards 1873 or 1868 to a level of 1874, and from there we can see a level of 1877 is also high. Okay, so once if it goes above this level 1877, we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1897. Okay, and once 1897 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1900 also. Okay, so what I mean to say is, once this range break upside, we can see further upside towards a level of 1900. Okay, and we can see further upside if the price goes above this level. Okay, over 1877. So first resistance coming at around 1834, which is already being tested here. Second, we can see at around 1877. Okay, once this level cross, we will see that since July it has not crossed this level, then we can see further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and we have seen a narrow pattern forming here. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can further fall towards a level of 1811.76, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1800.20. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1789, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1782, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1770, and then from there 1760 is high. Suppose if the price will sustain this level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1753, and once this level range breaks downside, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1742, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1723 also. Okay, and this level 1723 is already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1723 is high, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1683. Okay, and 1683 already being tested here, so chances of will be high that we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1669, and from there we can see a level of 1657. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1643. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have already explained you. For a long term investing, you are investing, then every day is a buy opportunity, what I feel. And if you are trading, always understand that if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, okay, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital. That is very important. Risk should be 0.5 to 1%. That means $1,000 per trade, your risk will be around $50 to $100. So that if you trade for five times, if you lose three times, you can make big profit in two times. Or if you lose even five times, you know your risk is $500, which will not affect your trading on the next day. Okay, always set your limit for loss so that you can be relaxed and do the trading on the next day. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. You can attend my workshop also individually. For any doubt, we can work out on it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.